tryna get so filthy rich. I got 100 for this. I got a
I just want to say thank you guys so much for 800 subscribers. We did it in 1 week again, 100 subscribers in 1 week, so that's pretty cool. And in the first clip, I did not get to record it. I accidentally deleted it. And if you guys want me to do any challenges, just go ahead and comment it below. And thank you guys, man. Thank you guys for being awesome. 800 subscribers. Hope you guys have an awesome one. Oh my god, look at this dude. Oh my god, I don't even think he sees me. Oh my god. Oh. Dude, look, this is keeps. Oh god. Oh god.
No. No. He wasn't ready.
Dude, I legit can't find nobody else. I can't just. Everyone's gone. Boy, look at. No. No, I'm sorry. Oh god. Dude, oh god.
Gotcha, bitch!
I'm going to hell for this. Oh no, boy. Oh my god, boy. You want to do this? Let's do this. Too quick. Boy. Catch to the face. R.I.P. Easy. 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 Last two people. I don't know where's nobody at. Okay, there's one right there. I see one in the base. No. Boy, look at this season 1 guy. Not season 1, neck. Oh, I don't know how many. Dude, I can hear this guy. No! Oh my god, please, if I die. If I die right now. Oh my
no!
God! God! Please. Please.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Oh, leave me. Yes, thank you, God. Okay, one more person alive, baby. I got this. Easy dub. Easy dub. I'm pretty sure that guy had a rocket too. Let me drink this slurp just in case. This guy she starts blasting on me like this, dude. Oh, he did. Oh my. Wait, let me just grab the rocket. Stop firing on me. Oh my god, this guy. What's up? Oh, you want a taste? You want a little taste? Oh my. I'll give you a taste. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, one minute. Oh my god, don't one tap me. This guy one tapped. Oh my god. Ooh, boy. Ooh, boy. Oh, how are you not dead? If I'm dying, you die with me. Thank you so much. If you guys liked the video, please like and subscribe. And if you guys want me to do any challenges, go ahead and comment, dude. I read every single comment. And just thank you guys for being awesome. Have a good one.